Hi, I'm Richard Robinson, and I'm going to show you my Gates stay level, a very classic tube compressor with modifications. And I'm playing you right now a drum loop I made from the intro of a Toto record. You're hearing the loop right now, not through the stay level, but as soon as I turn this up, we're going to be getting the audio through the stay level. So there we go. Now I left the original settings available on this modification. Single, double, I added triple, and over here on the release time, I have stock release time. I have a maximum release time, which makes it really slow, possibly useful. And then I have 6 other settings that go all the way down to the shortest time down here. First I'll show the single, the standard attack and release setting, but I'm going to shorten up the release to show how much more useful this unit is when it has variable release time. And then here's the fastest. So I'm going to turn up the input level. You can get quite a bit of level into this thing and get into very heavy compression. And with that fast release, it can be very violent. So there we go. Now I'm going to go back to stock release, and I'm going to switch into the triple position, which makes the attack time faster. So this is pretty handy. With a faster attack time, you can take something like these drums and alter the attack characteristics of them. Now let me just get a little faster release, and I'll make this a bit more dramatic so you can see it. Hear it, I should say. Okay, now watch this. So clearly in the stock position we have more attack of the drums coming out. But in the fast attack position, we have less transients and attack coming from the drums. And this can really come in handy on some things. Also tends to emphasize the reverb. Here, I'll switch back now. Okay, standard attack. Short attack. Let me just go right into the fastest release time. Really brings up the reverb in the loop. So there we go. There's my modified stay level. Also, some of the parts inside have been upgraded. Power supply resistors, power supply extra capacitor. Replaced the capacitors in the gain reduction circuit. Also have a new input pot, single, dual, triple selector, meter 0, and the release time switch is brand new with all the options on it. So there we go. The Gates stay level.